Kamusta mga balibulista? Tinalo ng Signal HD Spikers ang Cherry Tigo Crossovers 25-19, 20-25, 25-18, 25-21. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Don Macandili Katindig sa likod ng kanyang 1 point na may kasamang 23 excellent digs at 6 excellent receptions. Nag-ambag ng 8 points si Roslyn Doria, Jovelyn Fernandez 6 points, Vanessa Gandler 12 points, Rochelle Lalongisip 1 point, Francis Molina 13 points. Nagtala naman ng 4 points si Judith Abel, Acona 6 points, Meneses 12 points, Cayuna 9 points. Para naman sa natalong Cherry Tigo Crossovers, humakot ng 13 points si Ara Galang, Princess Robles 12 points, Seth Rodriguez 12 points, Mary Rose Dapol 10 points, Abigail Maranyo 6 points. Nag-ambag din ng 5 points si Pauline Gaston, Shaya Ador 5 points. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Pinataob naman ng Chocomocho Flying Titans ang Capital One Solar Spikers 25-20, 26-24, 26-28, 25-9. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Cici Rondina sa likod ng kanyang 23 points mula sa 17 attacks, 4 blocks at 2 aces. Nagtala naman ng 12 points si Royce Tobino, Dennis Manabat 11 points, Cherry Nonag 8 points, Isabel Molde 7 points, Katrina Tolentino 6 points. Nag-ambag din ng 4 points si Loren Picana, Micah Ortiz 1 point, Alba 1 point, Malaluan 1 point. Para naman sa natalong Capital One Solar Spikers, Laila Cruz 16 points, Jorel Singh 12 points, Ginoo 11 points, Negos 8 points, Tolinada 5 points, Noriel Epac 4 points, Clemente Di Guzman 2 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of November 21, 2024. Signal HD Spikers 2 wins 0 loss 6 points. PLDT High Speed Hitters 2 wins 0 loss 6 points. Akari Chargers 2 wins 0 loss 6 points. Chocomocho Flying Titans 2 wins 1 loss 5 points. Creamline Coal Smashers 1 win 0 loss 3 points. Zos Thunderbells 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Petrogas Angels 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Cherry Tigo Crossovers 1 win 1 loss 2 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 0 win 2 losses 1 point. Galleries Tower High Risers 0 win 3 losses 1 point. Farm Fresh 0 win 1 loss 0 point. NLEX Lead Chameleons 0 win 2 losses 0 point. Heto ang mga laro ngayong November 23, 2024 na gaganapin sa Candon City Arena. Magtutuos ang Petrogas Angels at Farm Fresh alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Akari Chargers at Creamline Coal Smashers alas 6:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.